Good morning, young junior high Eagles. This is your librarian. My name is Ms. Higginbotham, and this is your library study hall course. So today I just want to kind of take you on a quick tour of the virtual library and what you can kind of expect from the study hall, what are the resources that I offer, and different things like that. So this is your course. At the bottom here, you'll find a Zoom link. The Zoom link will send you to kind of like my virtual office. If you needed to talk to me face to face, I will have my times posted in my little office link here. So those will be a little bit different each day, but if you need to find me and talk to me through Zoom, you can always do that through the Zoom link. If you ever encounter a problem with your password or you need to change, this is what that button is for. Okay. All right, so let's tour the library a little bit. So as I mentioned, if you need help, if you need to contact me, this little link here will take you to my office. It has my email. You can find me on Twitter if you want to show me all the awesome work you're doing. Um, and I'll have a link here for Zoom as well. Anytime you see this eagle that's reading, he's going to take you back to the main library. So I'm going to click him, and he's going to take me back to the main library. Some different things we offer here. So when you see this, you're going to want to start here. And this is going to take you upstairs to our e-resources, our electronic resources. So over here on the computers, we have e-books. These are all of our e-books, and each of these will send you to a link to each of these places for you to find these e-books. Most of you are going to be familiar with the username and password, and I will have those posted in a button at the bottom of Canvas. Back to the room here. Our research resources. So once you get kind of into the school year and you're needing to do some research, you might want to come here. These will be links to those research resources for you. Okay, and it gives you little directions on how to access them. All right, we're going to go back downstairs to the main library. So that was upstairs. If you follow each of these each of me will take you somewhere else. So here I have our reading room. And when Eagle Reads takes off here in about 3 weeks, I'll have more information for you about that. But for now, you can find out what I'm reading. And this usually changes about every week, every 3 to 4 days. So if you're really interested and kind of wanting to have some recommendations, I will always keep what I'm reading and I'd love to talk to you about it. All right, I'm going to go back to the room here. Upstairs, if you want to take a ride on this Eagle here, it'll take you to our makerspace room. And in here this week, I have some makerspace activities. So feel free to come kind of explore this area as well. All right, going up the ladder here. These are all book reviews. So I have read a ton of books this summer, close to 30. So I will have all of the books that I recommend and I review. They'll be here along with a link to how to check that book out from our e-resource Sora. All right, back down to the room here. So really the Canvas library course, your library, virtual library, is just designed to help you and to support you and to give you an opportunity to do some fun stuff that maybe you would have done in the library, but you can't right now. So if you need anything, remember you can contact me. You can email me, you can find me on Twitter, and I look forward to connecting with you guys.